Hello guys, this is Alex here. Today is Thursday and we're starting another ScandiPWA weekly community session with merchants. And today I have several topics to discuss with you. First of all, we're going to look at how ScandiPWA is helping local businesses to overcome new challenges, especially in this turbulent time. And I have a very interesting case to present. As well as we will cover new ScandiPWA partners and what they can offer to you online merchants. So let's move on to our first topic for today, how ScandiPWA is helping local businesses. As you may heard already, ScandiPWA is located in Europe, in Riga, Latvia, and we have a really interesting case coming from ScandiWeb, the official ScandiPWA partner, one of the partners that you can find on our website in the partner section. So just this Monday, national government announced that it is now officially um, acceptable to sell alcohol in internet. Uh, Till Monday, it was not allowed officially, but there was a lot of discussion. So now there's a new niche, a new market, and as you may understand, during the current circumstances when everyone is sitting at home, this can be huge potential. So ScandiWeb created a very interesting use case and offering a lot of businesses, both online businesses and offline businesses, that are now looking for an opportunity to jump into this online uh, sales. So ScandiWeb is now offering a very interesting offer. So what is the offer? And this slide may be already familiar for those who are regularly watching our videos. Recently, I was demonstrating what is ScandiPWA Cloud and what are the benefits of ScandiPWA Cloud. So in case you missed this video, make sure to go to the description box below and watch this video. And the tech is familiar for a majority of you, I believe. ScandiPWA Cloud is offering a powerful tool which combines Magento open source platform, probably the most powerful and feature-rich e-commerce platform in the world. ScandiPWA storefront, the PWA storefront, which is probably the fastest storefront on earth. And if you're willing to challenge this, please do so. We are very happy to jump into discussion and showcase how powerful it is. And of course, it provides full access to the source code, so you as a business can be confident you have full ownership of your store, of your code, as well as optional build for mobile apps. For example, ScandiPWA Cloud allows to convert your e-commerce store into a native app that can be listed in both App Store for iOS devices and Google Play Store for Android devices. So you can target even more customers. You can target a new users. So it's time for showcase. I will demonstrate this reference store. Okay, I was demonstrating it yesterday in the agency session, so I'm gonna clean up my product cart. I will demonstrate this reference store so you can check what tools and features are available here. We first going to browse a product. Let's say, let's buy this one. Oops. Okay, seems that the team is still working on the site. I will refresh it. Okay, that's fine. So I'm going to add this product to cart. Let's see, I have some, okay, 33 euros already, and I would like to have 50 euros because it's set up this way that for every order starting from 50 euros, I can get free shipping. So right now, if I open the cart, I see that my shipping rate is fixed. It's cost 3 euros, and if I want to get free shipping, I will need to reach 50 euros. So I'm going to buy this pack. As you see, you can combine various products into one package. For example, cola fits great as additional product to upsell for the majority of alcohol products listed here. So I'm gonna buy one bottle of whiskey and let's say two bottles of cola. Let's add to the cart. Okay, and we see that now we have two bottles of cola. Combined, it will be three bottles of whiskey since I bought the same brand. I bought two bottles of same brand just a couple of minutes ago. And now I have 52 euros combined. So if I go to my cart, I now see that the delivery is for free. So this is one of features for those of you who are familiar with Magento. You can understand that everything is possible. You can combine a lot of your business use cases and have it on the PWA store, which performs really great and fast. So I'm going to browse a couple more products just to see um, what do we have here. Okay, I see some feedback. So some additional elements I can link to this product. Basically everything you need to have a proper store is here. Um, and if I open this product, for example, I can see that it is configured that way that if I buy two bottles, I will get an additional 24% discount automatically. So let's showcase this, and I'm going to buy, say, free. And you see the total price for free bottles is uh, 4.99 as it is stated here. So when I bought free bottles, I got discount. It was automatically applied, and you can see this in the shopping cart. And apparently, from this, the offer from ScandiPWA, this is the landing page they created. It's actually very interesting use case. They offer not only the store creation itself, but also a lot of really useful features that can be used just right now, so that you can launch your store and get it running within just a day, and you're ready to sell next day. Since we are talking with a lot of merchants right now, and we see that a lot of niches that are currently in huge demand are simply not ready for online sales. So they are looking for ways to start selling fast. And ScandiPWA Cloud is a great tool. So I'm going to proceed with the presentation just to show some key features. So this pack is offering a lot of popular online payments we use here in Latvia, for example, Swedbank, SEB, Luminor, Nordea, DNB, Citadele, Banklinks, payment cards, naturally Visa, MasterCard, You can ship yourself, use some popular couriers, or this particular offering is also offers to use shipping service that is promising to deliver your products within 60 minutes, instant delivery. Also, it's possible to configure a coming soon page with email collector and social media marketing tools. Price promotions and time-based promotions. For example, you can set up a special promotion that will be limited to a special, let's say, time. It's also possible to configure um, time limits so that you will not sell alcohol during the night hours, which is not allowed. So you can configure hours when you can accept, let's say, payments, or when your store is actually operating, so that if people are buying products, then they will be notified that their product will be delivered, let's say, next day from the morning. Among other features, we have volume discounts and other marketing tools, as I just demonstrated. Simple product or configurable products, package size or flavor, monthly subscriptions available as an extra feature, something you can add on top of your store. Also, it's possible to sell in multiple languages. Basically, for every language, you can create a separate store and make sure to reach every potential customer uh, with this. So the question, how can you leverage ScandiPWA right now? The answer is reach out to ScandiPWA and ask for a partner agency that is ready to help you to set up a store, so you as a merchant can start selling right now. As ScandiWeb showcased, it is possible to launch a store on ScandiPWA Cloud within some 10 minutes. I also have a video showcasing how to do that, so make sure to jump into description section to watch this video, how you can request ScandiPWA Cloud Store. And it is possible to configure your store, add your products, have some basic customization of your store, so you could start selling next day or within some days, make it ready to sell. And this was a topic of one of our previous webinars. Is it possible to launch a store in 2 weeks? As we see, a lot of things have changed in the world since then, and 2 weeks, it's really a big time for a lot of businesses. You just cannot afford to wait so long. So cloud solution like ScandiPWA Cloud can be really helpful here, so you can be back on track really soon without investing a lot of resources. And last topic for today to discuss, new partners. I will open ScandiPWA.com website, so you can browse our partner directory here to see some of the agencies that are working with the solution. We have expanded a list of agencies, partner agencies. You can reach out. Also, here is feature partners that are contributed to ScandiPWA theme, created some projects previously, or have some reference store to showcase, as well as we have expanded our technology partner list. Now you can see two companies, Nexus and Hypernaut, joined the group of technology partners, and they are offering really great hosting solutions. I will open this one to demonstrate. Uh, Basically, if you are looking for a hosting provider to set up your ScandiPWA store, make sure to check this one. So this store is working on Nexus. This is just a reference store, the demo store, created. Make sure to go to our partner directory, click on the link, and check the demo. If you like it, make sure to use this provider or other providers that are recommended on our website. They are doing really great job. So this is it for today. Here's my email address. In case you have any questions, feel free to reach out and ask your questions. I'll be happy to answer. Also, subscribe to our YouTube channel. We just rolled out a lot of new videos, video tutorials. I will actually showcase. So you can see that some 3 days ago we have uploaded a lot of videos, mostly for developers, but if you are looking into solution, just to understand what it is, you can also watch a lot of useful videos, both with theory and some step-by-step instructions so we can follow. Uh, and of course, every video that is produced by ScandiPWA will be available on the channel, so make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel, as well as make sure to subscribe to our newsletter to get updates crafted for you every week. This is it from me today. Thank you for watching this video, this short weekly community session, and see you next time. Bye.